Hello class, today is Thursday, November the 12th, 2020, and here is our do now for today. At this time, I need you to take out a pencil and paper and pause the video for a few minutes while you solve the following problem, please. Learning objective for today is Hill scholars will be able to solve problems using qualitative and quantitative predictions and comparisons from simple experiments. Directive of learning: given two problems, Hill scholars will be able to solve with 100% accuracy. And here is our I do. Now, at this time, I need you to follow along and write down the steps and procedures on how to solve a problem like this one for probability. I'm going to start by reading the problem, then I will talk through the problem as I solve it, and just follow along and take notes, please. The table shows different flavors of ice cream on Saturday at Joe's Ice Cream Shop. Based on the survey, identify if the following statements are true or false. Okay, so before I actually answer the statements as true or false, I need to look at the table and figure out the percentages or the probability of getting each flavor. So if I add them all up, the total number of flavors is 100. Now I know that it's favorable over total, so it's 42 out of 100, 34 out of 100, 14 out of 100, and 10 out of 100. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it as that at that right now. So the first statement says a person is 3 times as likely to prefer vanilla as strawberry ice cream. That means vanilla would have to be 3 times greater or equal to strawberry. Okay, so let's look at vanilla. How many people actually selected vanilla? 42. What about strawberry? 14. Again, we're looking for 3 times that amount. So if I take 14 and I multiply it by 3, well, carry my 1, that's 3, that's 42. So yes, vanilla is 3 times more likely to get selected than strawberry. So this statement is true. Second statement, a person is more likely to choose chocolate than strawberry or vanilla. So or means plus. Strawberry or vanilla combined. So let's see how many select chocolate is 34. So more likely, it would mean that chocolate would have to be greater than strawberry and vanilla. Strawberry is 14 and vanilla is 42. So if I add the strawberry and vanilla, it'll be 14 plus 42, which gives me 56. And 56 is not less than 34. So remember, it says more likely, so that means that chocolate would have to be greater than strawberry and vanilla, which this is not the case. So this will be false. Number 3, a person is less likely to choose strawberry. Less likely, that means less likely than chocolate or vanilla. Remember, or will be addition. So strawberry, we have 14, chocolate 34, and vanilla 42. So then I've got 42 plus 34, and I'm gonna move that over here. 40. Oh, in case I'll move it up here. 42 plus 34. That's 6. That's 76. So 76 is definitely greater than 14. So this one's a true statement. And then the last one, a person is more likely, which would be more likely, to choose chocolate, then strawberry, or Rocky Road combined. Okay? So let's look at it. Chocolate is 34. Strawberry is 14. And Rocky Road is 10. So if I add strawberry and Rocky Road, it would be 10 plus 14. Let me erase that and start over on that one. It will be 10 plus 14, which would give me 24. And 34 is greater than 24. So this one would be true. Okay? So if we look at the statements, 3 of them were actually true, and 1 of them was false. So we got to make sure that we look at every single statement before we select or before we stop working the problem. In other words, go through every single statement, make sure whether each statement is true and false, and answer it correctly. Okay? This is your I do. Now comes the we do. Now pause it at this moment and then work the we do together with your instructor. Okay? Thank you and have fun working on those problems.